How to fix login error on CoinsBee. If you want to fix login error on the CoinsBee application that you're facing, the first thing you can try to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data and vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. Then after you've done that, what you can do is you can tap on this account icon from the bottom right and check if your credentials are correct, because sometimes it could be that you're entering an incorrect password. That's why you're facing that issue. So if you forgot your password, you can tap on the forgot password button to reset it. If you're using the CoinsBee app on Android, long press the CoinsBee app icon from your home screen, then tap on this I button to come to app info page. This setting will be found on any Android phone. Go to storage usage, clear the cache files and clear the data. Go to your Play Store and your App Store and search for the CoinsBee app. Check if it has an update available, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.